What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Got another exciting episode for you this week, and this week we are actually headed to the Smoky Mountains Pigeon Forge to check out an awesome cabin in Tennessee. Hope you guys have been enjoying it so far. As always, please like and subscribe. It always helps the channel out. And with that being said, let's jump right in. Well, guys, here we go. We are in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, checking out Sugar Bear Cabin with hot tub and fire pit. We will jump right into this one. We'll kind of scroll down. We'll come back to the pictures in a little bit. Let's check out some stuff. So first of all, as always, let's look at this reviews. We've got 4.57 rating. That's not that great. We'll check those out to see what's going on there. But I wanted to actually start with the description. So let's start with the description. Here we go. We're going to jump right into the description. I actually like the description because the way it's all broken up, it makes it a lot easier to read when you don't have these big paragraphs and jumbled information. So the description does a really good job. Fully equipped kitchen, 6-person hot tub, gas fireplace. I love the bullet points, the parking, the things to know, some local attractions where it tells you how far away these are. Those are always great to do. Give some information about guest access, other things to note, things that they provide. Really, actually a very solid description. Unfortunately, with Airbnb listings, most people do not read the descriptions. However, anyone who does is going to find this one easy to read, and they're going to find all the information they want in it, especially all the way at the end. Do not feed the bears. Oh my goodness. I would figure something like that. You may want to throw that at the beginning. That's definitely a safety thing, but it is pretty funny that they actually have to put it in there, and they have to make sure people know, do not feed the bears. If you go to anywhere on earth, don't feed the bears. But yeah, for sure they put it in there. I thought that was really funny. Anyways, continuing down, let's jump right into these reviews and let's see what's going on here, why this place is rated at 4.57. They seem to have all the amenities. It's a great little cabin in the woods. And let's see what's going on here. So we got a 4.7 for cleanliness, 4.4 for accuracy. Don't really like that. 4.7 for check-in, 4.7 for communication, 4.6 for location, and 4.3 for value. As always, I don't really worry so much about location and value. Those are very subjective. But cleanliness, accuracy, check-in, and communication is something the host has a direct effect on. Definitely want to make sure those things are buttoned up. And let's see what the actual guests are saying about those things. Let's pop into these reviews and let's check out and see what everybody's saying. So the first 4-star we see here, it says, had a lovely time in the cabin. Only thing worth noting is there's definitely a camera in the thermostat in the kitchen. I don't know. I haven't been to this cabin. Maybe they think there's a camera in the thermostat. I've never even heard of a thermostat with a camera in it. But anyways, that may put some people off, so I thought it was worth mentioning. Otherwise, location is top of the hill and the view is great, and all the amenities made the experience nice. And then Sugar Bear, the host, responds, "Hi Morgan, we are thrilled to know you had a great time at the cabin. Our guest privacy is a top priority. We have checked the unit with our team after receiving a comment, and I can confirm there is no camera in the thermostat in the kitchen." As I suspected, that just seemed like ridiculous. I've never even heard of a thermostat that has a camera. I'm sure there is one out there. They have everything nowadays, but why someone would put a camera in their thermostat makes no sense to me. If you're gonna throw a secret camera in, there's a lot of ways to do it. And P.S. Don't do it. It's really kind of disrespectful. Not only is it against Airbnb's policy, but it's really creepy to spy on your guests. Okay, if you want to pre-screen your guests before they get there, that's fine, but don't use any indoor cameras. That's just my policy. I use exterior cameras only for the safety of the guests, but most importantly to help guests check in, and that's the only thing I'll ever use. All right, moving on. We see Kimberly, a great place to stay. We enjoyed the privacy and how peaceful it felt. Everything we needed for our stay was at our disposal. The place was very spacious and clean. Don't know why she left a 4-star review. Some people do this, or maybe there was some private feedback she gave them, or maybe she just clicked the 4-star button. Next guy, Michael, another 4-star. Sugar Bear Cabin is a nice place with lots of potential. We enjoyed our stay and liked the location, close to Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg. There were a few issues that could have been taken care of that would have improved our stay. We got a call 3 hours before check-in letting us know that we would not have gas and would not be able to use the fireplace. The kitchen cabinets needed some repair. One of the doors had fallen off. Would have been nice if salt and pepper was provided. Just some small things. The property management company was very apologetic and wanted to get things fixed, which was very nice. Other than those things, the home was nice. They say that the property management company, I'm really curious as to who Sugar Bear was. As I went through this listing, I actually looked them up to see if I could find anything about them. I can't find anything about them, and it says that this is their only listing. So I'm not sure if they're new or if they list all their properties under a different host name. I'm not sure what they do here, but Sugar Bear, if they are just a single host hosting one property, I would never recommend using, some sort of name like that. Just use your own personal name. Airbnb guests want to have that personal touch, that personal experience. They want to have that connection with the host. I think once you get into bigger property management companies, you'll see all the really low rated, or the majority of low rated Airbnbs are usually bigger companies that rent hundreds, if not thousands of units out, and they kind of treat you like a cog when you're a guest. So I'm not sure what the deal is with Sugar Bear. If it is just one person with one property, I would recommend they switch it back to their own name. But again, couldn't really find much information on them. All I know is their Airbnb profile shows that they have one listing only, and this is it. Anyways, on we go. Another 4-star review. Here's a 3-star review. Here we go. Great potential, but I had several concerns. I have never written a bad review, but our trip wasn't what we expected. We weren't able to sit outside due to the awful sewage smell. Oh my God, a sewage smell. The house is not level. Lifted and uneven boards on the porches, gaps between the floorboards, broken duct, taped hot tub cover, inside fireplace not connected, loose doorknobs, bedroom doors won't stay closed. I contacted the host, found out the previous renter threw a party and damaged a lot of the property. She was very professional and thanked me for my feedback. They had already started addressing the smell before I was there and assured me that they would address the other concerns as well. Sewage smell, that's really bad. If someone has a really bad party where your house smells like sewage afterwards, just get Airbnb involved and you're going to have to cancel those reservations. And most importantly, submit a claim for the lost money or lost revenue to air cover, if that is the case. So another 3-star review here. Most of the carpets had noticeable stains, cobwebs, stink bugs everywhere. I mean, the stink bugs thing, I gotta be honest with you, when you're in the woods, there's gonna be bugs and animals, insects and stuff, especially in a cabin in the woods. This guy shouldn't be complaining about stink bugs, but definitely the other stuff, of course, big problem. So a lot of 4-star reviews in here. There are a bunch of 5 stars too, but more importantly, this host definitely wants to get their ratings up, especially when it comes to cleanliness, accuracy, check-in, and communication. Those are all things they can work on pretty easily. Anyways, let's move right into the pictures. Let's check out this cabin. I actually am interested to see why it is not a higher rated unit. And let's jump right into these pictures. Let's see what we can see. It looks like a beautiful cabin in the woods to me. I mean, everything looks pretty good right here. I can't see anything that's out of kilter. They do have a description on the photo. We know I love those descriptions, but they just put property building. I don't know why you'd put a description like that. You might as well just leave it blank. Everybody knows it's the building. If you're taking a picture of your neighbor's house, you probably shouldn't be putting it as a picture on your Airbnb. So of course it's this property's building, but okay, we'll keep moving on. The inside have the wood paneling walls, very cabin-like. The decor actually looks really nice. You get a pop of color with the green couch, some nice lamps. Looks like a unique coffee table. And there's a foosball table over here. Again, don't like the description. It just says living room. We know it's the living room. What are you doing? You could call out the foosball table. The foosball table is a little bit harder to see. You can maybe call out that. Maybe call out some things that they're gonna get in the living room that you can't see in the picture. I don't know if they, have any sort of board games or something like that that they may offer to people so they can play in the living room. But again, just putting living room doesn't make any sense. Here's a picture of the deck and some trees. Definitely would not be my third picture, and I think they could probably get a better picture, a different angle or something like that. Here's the kitchen dining area. It looks pretty nice. Again, they just put dining area. Do you give plates, spoons? One of the reviews that we just went over actually said someone was asking about what they should bring. So yeah, I think you should put that in the description. Hot tub, that's great. I'm glad they have a hot tub. It does look a little rickety, and I'm not sure if that's damage at the bottom of the hot tub or if the hot tub itself is dirty in that picture, but I would maybe try to grab it from a different angle or something like that. The hot tub looks a little janky right there. Some of these things may be affecting, for sure, the reviews and overall performance of this listing. If it is dirty when guests are showing up, that would be a big problem. Bedroom looks pretty comfy. Nothing to say there. They got a little outdoor fire pit. This actually would have been my third picture. Remember, guys, those top 5 pictures are what people see on their phones. So those are the big important ones right there. You want them to have lots of colors, draw people's attention in. But this one has a fire pit, nice outdoor couch. This would have been definitely in my top 5. This one would have been in my top 5 too. I don't know. This is an awesome fireplace. I love the exposed stone. Great. Again, living room. Why don't they put how big the TV is? Why don't they put what TV services they offer? Why don't they put whether or not that fireplace is working? You can see in the picture it's working. We saw 2 or 3 reviews where it wasn't working according to the guests. So that's a big problem. They want to make sure, especially if you're going to show it lit in the picture, make sure it's working for guests. And then we got a balcony. That's pretty good. Dining area again. Kitchen again. I like it. A loft area bedroom. The bedroom looks nice. Here's the hot tub again outside. And here's another picture of the living room. Another picture of the kitchen. And we just got a lot of pictures. Here's another bedroom. I haven't really seen a bathroom yet. Am I missing it? Guys, am I missing? Let me know if I missed the bathroom, guys. I can't see another picture of the balcony. This guy has 67 pictures. I like how he shows his coffee maker, his toaster, and stuff like that. This guy has 67 pictures, but I don't know why he has so many. I think 67 is way too many, guys, unless you have a massive place. But let me try to get through them quickly. Well, here's another picture of the deck. Let me go back to this one. This one might be a good lead-off photo in the top 5 as well. A lot of different angles of the same stuff. Here we got the foosball table close up. More kitchen. I still haven't seen a bathroom. Guys, I don't know. Am I missing something? Am I losing my mind? Can we see a bathroom, please? A bathroom. A bathroom. A bathroom. Bathroom. Here we go.
Finally!
Okay, the bathroom looks actually nice, but it's on photo 60 unless I'm losing my mind. I didn't see one before this. Definitely get your bathroom picture before photo 60. Don't have 60 photos, but get your bathroom picture before photo 60. All right, decent bathroom. All right, and here we go. Property of the building again. So definitely overloaded in pictures, things like that. For the most part, I would say, this actually looks like a decent cabin. I think the reviews, the host just has to work on their communication. They have to get some cleaning done out there and maybe do some repairs to the fireplace and stuff like that. They should be able to get the reviews up. It doesn't look like a bad place to stay. So anyways, guys, that is the Sugar Bear cabin with hot tub and fire pit in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. 4.57 rated, and I definitely think there's some room for improvement there. Let me know if you agree with me, disagree with me. Let me know what you thought of the listing. Make sure you comment below. This one was hosted by Sugar Bear, And if you guys ever want to get your listing featured on the channel, feel free to send me an email at dano@danostr.com and with a link to your Airbnb listing, and I'll gladly take a look. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will catch you next time.